The next sander here is the Tetrad, and this doesn't have a pad on it. And where's our pad for this? Do we have
actually, no, we don't have one here.
No, we have one right there. Joel has it. But I don't know if we have 5-inch paper here.
Well, no, that's actually not it.
No, that's the 6-inch. Okay.
The only difference here really is essentially this is a smaller machine. Right. It has a 6mm orbit as opposed to a 19mm orbit. So right. The difference is 19mm would be 3/4 inch. 6mm would be roughly about 1/4 inch, between 3/16 and 1/4 inch.
Yeah, and it's with this being 6mm, one big advantage to this sander. There's a pad right there. Do we have some 5-inch Yoast paper? We probably do. You can probably dig some up there because I'd really like to show how well this works. These pads come on and off the sander very quickly with no tools. As you can see, Ken just put one on. And the reason it does that is this is a quick change pad, and you put one grit on each pad, so you can, if you're using 5 grits, you can just rip it off very quickly and put another pad back on with the right grit.
So you just go like that. And the benefit to that is by changing the whole pad, this pad lasts longer because you don't wear out the hooks as fast.
Right.
Also, your sandpaper lasts longer because you're not flexing the sheet and breaking off the media as much.
I don't have a cutter for this. We weren't really prepared on this, actually, because these are both brand new machines, but that's okay.
There's that right there. Here's a knife if you want. There's a cutter for you.
All right.
And once again, this easily you line up the holes and you push it right on. It goes right on that simply, and it's on. And of course, coming off is a single jerk motion. Once again, the machines are essentially the same. The difference is the weight and the orbital stroke. But what this will do,
and the ability to go on the job site. This one will go underneath cabinets very easily. And the biggest reason that I like this sander.
Oop. We didn't have our safety device on, did we?
Yeah, that's on. Can you turn that on? Did you? Yeah, that's the on-off switch.
They've changed.
Yes.
Okay.
The random orbit on this is near the same as the
And of course, the big difference about these is the size of the area they cover.
Right. You can also use a handle like this on it. So if you're standing a large conference table or a large island deck or something, all you have to do is pass it back and forth. The weight of the machine does the sanding. So the finish is the same no matter who does the sanding. And that's important. If you're doing a 5-inch sander, your finish will be different with 1 or 2 different people.
Once again, the dust extraction is great.
Yep.
We weren't kicking up dust all over the air. And the other thing that was really nice about this too is that the ease of operating it just with the handle. Yep. Now, something that's very important that I know came up this week with the manufacturer, with this tool and that tool both, these are only for transporting it.
That's correct.
When you're operating it, you only operate this from the crown or with the handle.
Right.
Because it has a center vertical point of balance, and by grabbing this, you immediately throw it out of balance.
Right.
Which causes it to slave. It'll burn out the PVC plate and ruin the pad.
Right. Okay.